So this is the Williamson jet popper. It's 4 ounces. It's huge. See if I can get it into focus. Williamson 4 ounce jet popper. It is probably my favorite lure, even though it's huge, or one of my favorite lures. I got it in the purple. It has this window that kind of reflects. You can kind of see behind, but it almost is like the appearance of scales. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to change these treble hooks into singles like I do with all my lures. So stay tuned. All right, let's see what's going on here. It's kind of hard doing this while I'm on camera. But I'd rather take these treble hooks out. I don't know if you've ever had a hook in your hand or your finger while you're fishing. Not fun. It's happened to me like twice. First time I went to the hospital. The second time I was like, screw that. I had a bunch of liquor while we was out there fishing. I just kept hammering it back. And then when I was totally lit, I just grabbed a pair of pliers and just snatched it out. It was painful. It ripped the skin because it went in at least as deep as the bar, but I did get it out. Saved myself a trip to the hospital. Let's see here. I figured you got a lure with 6 hooks, 3 and 3. And not only is, does taking off these trebles prevent the hooks from just snagging the fish's face, his eyes, his gills. He might bite here and then this hook comes around and attaches him, or vice versa. But not only is it better for the fish because it's the single hooks and there's less chance of that happening, but with 6 hooks, let's say 100%, when you replace it with 2 single hooks, you're reducing, your potential of getting hooked by like 66, 67%. So that's why I like, taking these off. It just reduces, the possibility of me getting messed up. Even right now with this last bit, I'm being a little bit careful. Let me see if I can just set her down and do it. That last piece won't come off. Wow, that one was difficult as hell. So it's a decent hook. Rapala and Rapala bought Williamson, but it's damn sure a decent hook, decent rings. I'll reuse these for the singles. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with the Owner 9/0. These are really good, 3 times as strong. But Ocean Tackle International also, some of my favorite hooks, the 10/0 from huge lures. These things are thick and massive. I'll show you them in the end. Let's get back to removing these hooks. Okay, I'm just gonna go with these Owners, size 9, 3 times, because I only got 2 left. Rather than just using these and having 1 spare, might as well get rid of these and use these for the ends of some other ones. But there you go, 9/0. They're pretty massive. Like I said, this is a 4 ounce lure. It's huge, but if you see that back hook, it's about the same size as this one. All right, let's see. So that's the direction it's gonna go. Let's pop it up right in here. And these are spinning swivels. They're the hardest ones to get on here because they're always moving around. They're not like stationary. Crap. Come on, you can do it. I can't believe I got that like that. Let's just hope it don't pop off. And it did. Son of a bitch. One down. Next one to go. I suppose with these, it doesn't really matter since they just spin around. I mean, we'll see. Let's figure out an easy way to get this on there. I think that would be the easiest. Let's get it popping. Come on, stay still. Oh, this one's gonna be hard. I can already see. I might have to do this one off camera. I'm like behind the camera, and so it's a little bit more difficult. If it doesn't work this time, then I'm definitely gonna have to do this off camera. What do you know? Gotta be patient with these things. You're using a little bit of muscle around some hooks. You don't know where or what could happen. There it goes. What do you know? All right. So these will spin around. I don't doubt that I'm gonna lose some fish, but like I said, I like to reduce the potential of me getting hooked, the potential of harming a fish that I'm not going to keep and throw back. Oh, by the way, these rings are 250-pound rings. This is a through wire construction. It even has a swivel up in front. See the holes that were cut? And then the channels, the water comes right through here. This is actually one of my favorite poppers. It is, like I said before, it is heavy, you know, but this thing catches massively huge fish. I only pull it out when I need some exercise, basically. I mean, it's a 4-ounce lure, for God's sakes. Anyways, thanks for watching.